How y'all doing, CyberCads? Thank you once again for logging in, CyberCads. And later, if you have questions, you can give it to me if you feel like questioning me. At dahil live na live po tayo today, real na real time din po ang sagot sa mga questions nyo. Before anything else, to the newbies in this room, just please press the subscribe button and invite your friends, your families, your enemies, like your mother, father, your brothers, sisters, your yaya and your yayo, and everybody and anybody to please join me in my channel. Mga CyberCads, no bad words naman po. Kanya-kanyang trip lang, di ba? Good vibes lang tayo. Kasi we are going to rock the night pa here in the house of my baby babe's grandma, right? Yeah, please, good vibes lang po, ah. Nga pala, tonight, due to popular demand, I will talk about ways and means for effective kabuhayan. Matinding research ang ginawa ko dito, mga CyberCads. At in-interview ko pa ang mga experts sa line of work na ito. Kaya kung ready na kayo, let us begin. Here are the top 5 jobs for guaranteed easy money. O, drum roll naman dyan, mga CyberCads. Okay, ang top 5 sa ating listahan ay become a human access specialist. In other words, become a professional pulube. Alam nyo ba na kung kayo ay expert sa panlilimos, ay pwede kayong kumita ng as much as 2,000 pesos or as little as 500 pesos a day. Hindi pa kasama dyan kung... Anyway, highway, to be a professional human access specialist, dapat believable kayo, CyberCads. Dapat credible kasi... Who that? Nagla-livestream po ako, pwedeng quiet lang. As I was saying already, before you venture as a professional human access specialist, wear what you are, mga CyberCads. Maganda kung mas mabantot kayo at madungis. Kaya better kung hindi po kayo maligo ng as much as 4 days. At mas mabuti po kung meron kayong downliner. Now, you might ask, what is a downliner? Ang downliner po ay ang mga bit-bit nyo pag kayo nanlilimos, katulad ng isang batang tumutulo ang uhog o libagin. Basta the more madungis, the better. The more undernourished, the better. Mas mabuti pa nga po kung meron kayong sanggol na... Inaano ba yan? Sorry for the mga CyberCads, ha? Anyway... CyberCads, sorry, I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Uy. What the...
Thank you.